Did you know chocolate can be toxic to dogs? It's not just a myth, but a scientifically proven fact. You may be wondering, what makes this sweet treat so dangerous for our canine companions? The answer lies in a chemical compound found in chocolate known as theobromine. Theobromine is similar to caffeine and is perfectly safe for us humans. We have the necessary enzymes to metabolize it effectively. However, the same cannot be said for our furry friends. Dogs lack these enzymes, making it difficult for them to break down theobromine. As a result, even a small piece of chocolate can pose a significant risk to a dog's health. So, what happens when a dog ingests chocolate? The theobromine is absorbed into their bloodstream and starts to affect various systems in their body. The central nervous system, heart, and kidneys are primarily targeted. In the central nervous system, theobromine can lead to symptoms such as restlessness, hyperactivity, tremors, and in severe cases, seizures. The severity of these symptoms can vary, depending on the amount of chocolate consumed and the size of the dog. Theobromine also poses a threat to a dog's heart. It can cause an increase in heart rate and lead to irregular heart rhythms. This can be particularly dangerous, even fatal, especially in smaller dogs or those with underlying heart conditions. The kidneys aren't spared either. Theobromine can cause increase, potentially leading to dehydration and kidney damage if not addressed promptly. To recap, chocolate is a no-no for dogs due to the presence of theobromine. This compound, which dogs cannot efficiently metabolize, primarily affects their central nervous system, heart, and kidneys, leading to a range of serious health issues. It's therefore crucial for dog owners to keep chocolate out of reach and seek immediate veterinary attention if their dog happens to ingest any amount of chocolate. Remember, the severity of symptoms depends on factors such as the type and amount of chocolate consumed, as well as the size and overall health of the dog. So next time you're enjoying a chocolatey treat, remember to keep it safely away from your four-legged friend. Their health and happiness are worth far more than a momentary sweet indulgence.